This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by parking level and switching ignition off. Make sure the handbrake is set. You need a Phillips screwdriver, the correct replacement bulb, and gloves to avoid oil on the glass. Open the boot and remove the parcel shelf or the rear trim panels to access the number plate lamp housing directly. Once you've exposed the lamp area, clean any dirt with a cloth so the contacts stay clear, and position a small torch to improve visibility as you work. You unscrew the lamp housing screws and pull the housing out gently. Don't yank, because clips and wiring can break. Next, press the connector tab and slide the wiring plug free, noting how it was oriented for reassembly. Twist or unclip the bulb holder, remove the old bulb, and insert the new one of the specified type. Avoid touching the glass with bare fingers since oil shortens bulb life. Once seated, test the bulb by briefly turning on the lights, so you confirm correct operation before you now refit the housing into its clip locations and tighten the screws just to hand tight. Over-tightening can crack plastic. Once done, restore the parcel shelf or trim, then test the number plate light with the ignition on. Make sure the beam is steady and the seal sits flush to prevent water ingress. If it fails, check the corresponding fuse, inspect the connector for corrosion or bent pins, and confirm you use the correct bulb type. Those 3 quick checks solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.